Have you ever wondered how some 3D printers cost under $300 yet deliver prints that rival much pricier machines? I tested the top budget 3D printers on Amazon myself, checking print quality, filament handling, speed, and reliability. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 budget 3D printers that actually perform, highlighting real-world features like auto bed leveling, direct drive extruders, quiet operation, and power loss recovery. If you're a beginner, maker, or small workshop, you'll see which ones save time, reduce frustration, and deliver surprising results. Some of these under $300 printers are true hidden engineering gems, and I'll show you exactly why they stand out. Most budget 3D printers under $300 sound great on paper until you spend days fixing bed leveling or messy first layers. But the Creality Ender 3S1 flips that script. It's a high-precision FDM 3D printer with real upgrades you usually see in $500+ models. You get CR Touch automatic bed leveling, a dual-geared direct drive extruder with 80N feeding force, and a printing speed of up to 200 millimeters per second. It handles PLA, PETG, ABS, and flexible TPU easily. No clogs, no slipping. The dual Z-axis screws keep motion smooth and stable, while the removable spring steel build plate makes print removal effortless. Just flex and it pops off. It even includes power loss recovery and a filament runout sensor, perfect for long prints. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 270 millimeters, a silent mainboard, and 96% pre-assembled frame, it's fast, quiet, and beginner-friendly. If you're a maker, student, or small business looking for a reliable 3D printer that just works, the Ender 3S1 proves that affordable doesn't have to mean limited. It's the sweet spot between budget and pro. Most large format printers are loud, slow, and demand endless tweaking. But the Artillery Sidewinder X2 changes that. For a budget printer, it feels surprisingly premium. Solid frame, clean motion, and a massive 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume that lets you print full-size prototypes or multi-part models in one go. The Titan direct drive extruder delivers smooth, consistent extrusion without clogging, perfect for flexible filaments and detailed prints. Paired with its dual Z-axis screw system, every layer stays aligned and stable, giving you crisp results even on tall prints. Setup is quick. It's 95% pre-assembled, and the auto bed leveling system handles calibration for you. The heated glass bed reaches 110 degrees Celsius in about 2 minutes, helping prints stick securely without warping. What really stands out, though, is how quiet it runs. The 32-bit silent motherboard and ultra-quiet stepper drivers keep it nearly silent even during long overnight prints. And with power loss recovery and a filament runout sensor, you don't lose progress or material when something goes wrong. If you want a large format 3D printer that's fast, quiet, and reliable without jumping into pro-level prices, the Artillery Sidewinder X2 is a powerful option that proves size and quality can still come cheap. Most budget 3D printers promise ease of use, but often deliver frustrating first prints. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro flips that expectation. For just over $200, it combines quick assembly, precision, and reliability in a compact build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, perfect for daily prototypes or hobby projects. Its dual-geared direct drive extruder, crafted from durable SUS 303 stainless steel, feeds filament smoothly and handles PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS with minimal clogs. Paired with the dual Z-axis lead screws, it keeps layers steady and consistent, producing crisp, high-quality prints every time. Setup is simple. Most main parts come pre-assembled, and the 36-point auto bed leveling system ensures a perfect first layer without constant adjustments. The power loss recovery and filament runout sensor mean you don't lose hours of printing to unexpected interruptions. The Neptune 3 Pro also features an upgraded nozzle system with a titanium throat tube, brass nozzle, aluminum heatsink, and front-mounted cooling fan, improving heat dissipation and reducing clogs during longer or faster prints. The STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors keep operation smooth and quiet, letting you print without disruption. If you want a compact, high-precision 3D printer that's beginner-friendly yet capable of tackling more complex prints reliably, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro delivers performance that feels far above its budget-friendly price. When you hear high-speed 3D printer under $600, it sounds too good to be true. But the Anycubic Kobra S1 delivers. Its Core XY construction and dual-motor drive keep the frame ultra-stable, minimizing vibrations while printing at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. That means faster, smoother prints without sacrificing precision. Out of the box, setup is straightforward thanks to Elegoo 3.0 automatic bed leveling and Z-axis compensation, making it beginner-friendly yet capable of handling advanced prints. Its full metal hot end reaches 320 degrees Celsius, paired with a heated bed up to 120 degrees Celsius, so it works seamlessly with PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and ASA. Multiple nozzle options from 0.2 to 0.8 millimeters expand your printing versatility, including finer details or thicker, faster prints. It also supports multicolor printing via the Ace Pro upgrade kit, letting creators explore more complex, colorful designs. With one-click printing through the Anycubic Maker online model library, you get thousands of ready-to-print models from designers worldwide, perfect if you want to start printing immediately. This printer proves that speed, precision, and multi-material flexibility don't require breaking the bank. If you want a high-performance, fast, and reliable 3D printer that's capable of colorful and detailed prints, the Anycubic Kobra S1 delivers exactly that. For anyone starting 3D printing on a budget, the Creality Ender 3 remains a go-to choice. Its compact 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume makes it ideal for learning in small projects, while still delivering surprisingly reliable results for its price. The V-shaped extruder, the palm wheels, ensures smooth, quiet, and durable filament feeding, reducing clogs and uneven extrusion. It handles common filaments like PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving beginners a versatile start without overwhelming complexity. Setup is straightforward. Most parts come pre-assembled, and full assembly takes about 2 hours. The resume printing function means that if power goes out mid-print, it picks up exactly where it left off, saving time and material. The heated bed reaches 100 degrees Celsius in about 5 minutes, helping prints stick securely and preventing warping. This printer is compact, simple, and robust, with a tested and reliable power supply for safe operation. It's not the fastest or most feature-packed model, but for students, hobbyists, or anyone learning 3D printing, the Creality Ender 3 proves that an affordable printer can still teach hands-on skills and deliver dependable prints. That's our look at 5 budget 3D printers that actually perform. From high-speed, precise machines to quiet, beginner-friendly models, these printers prove you don't need to spend hundreds more for reliable, professional-looking prints. Each tackles common frustrations like bed leveling, filament feeding, print stability, and long-run reliability, making them ideal for beginners, makers, students, or small workshops. Pick the right one, and you'll save time, reduce frustration, and get consistent results on a budget.